Master the art of chicken Francaise, a scrumptious French delight. Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you straight from the heart of France, the exquisite chicken Francaise. It's a dish that's both elegant and incredibly delicious. So let's dive right in and learn how to master this French culinary masterpiece together. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest recipes. Now let's cook up some magic. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 1/4 cup white wine, dry preferred, 1/2 cup chicken broth, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, lemon slices and fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation. Step 1. Pound the chicken breasts. Place the chicken breasts between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound them with a meat mallet to an even thickness, about 1/4 inch. Step 2. Season and dredge. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. In a shallow dish, add the flour and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Dredge each chicken breast in the flour, shaking off any excess. Step 3. Beat the eggs. In another shallow dish, beat the eggs with the grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley until well combined. Step 4. Coat the chicken. Dip the floured chicken breasts into the egg mixture, making sure they are fully coated. Cooking. Step 5. Sear the chicken. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat. Add the coated chicken breasts to the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they turn golden brown. Once cooked, remove them from the pan and set aside. Step 6. Prepare the sauce. In the same skillet, pour in the white wine and scrape off any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken broth and lemon juice, stirring to combine. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes until it starts to reduce slightly. Step 7. Finish the dish. Reduce the heat to low and return the chicken breasts to the skillet, letting them simmer in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors. Add the remaining tablespoon of butter to the pan, swirling it around until it melts and thickens the sauce. Voila! Our chicken Francaise is ready to be served, and it smells divine. This dish is an absolute showstopper with its tender, chicken, tangy lemon flavor and that hint of white wine. I hope you enjoyed this journey into French cuisine as much as we did. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Bon appetit! If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, don't miss out on our next culinary adventure by subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!